The poly wavetable mode on the disting EX supports non-equal tempered tunings through Scala files, which you can load from the micro SD card. There's plenty of resources for making or just downloading these online. Basically, you need two things. You need an SCL file, which defines the relationships of the notes pitches within the scale. And you need a KBM file, which defines the mapping of the pitches in your scale to a MIDI keyboard, or when playing by CV gate, effectively turning the CV into a note number to look up the correct pitch through the KBM. So let's just try something here. So I've got a couple of KBMs. So this one is basically maps 12 semitones with C as the reference tuning. So the note C is always going to be the same, which is convenient for demonstrating here. So with no SCL set, no scale file set, we're in normal equal temperament. Equal temperament itself can be represented by an SCL file, so that's going to be sound exactly the same. And if we choose an SCL, which is actually a different tuning, this is just intonation, so this is based on normal proper frequency ratio, so a fifth is, for example, 3/2. Then scale sounds different. What really you notice the difference on is when you hold chords. That's a just fifth versus an equal tempered fifth, for example. So you can see as soon as that's what everybody's used to, equal temperament. Sounds swirly because the frequencies don't line up properly. Just fifth, perfect static harmony. So it's quite handy that you can flick through the different scales and see how the tunings sound just while holding the notes down. Thirds in particular are very sharp in equal temperament. So that's the third of the scale that we're in. You can hear the pitch change between those two. Anyway, I'm not here to evangelise just intonation, but this is a particularly convenient way to explore these things if that's what you're interested in.